Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Don't throw away those used green tea bags. You can use them for these awesome things. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, and once you start using them, you will fall in love with these tiny bags. Most of the people trash away the tea bags after they have brewed the tea, but let me tell you that you can actually make use of green tea bags over face, because there are innumerable benefits of using them for a beautiful you. Just sipping in the tea is not enough. Using these tea bags can benefit you in many ways. Here are some beauty benefits of using green tea bags over skin. 1. Treating sunburns. Using green tea bags over face can help you treat sunburns over face and body. All you need to do is brew some tea and use the water over your sunburned skin. Other way to do is place these tea bags in refrigerator and keep them over sunburned skin. This will help to soothe the sunburned skin as soon as possible. 2. For puffy eyes. Green tea bags can help to treat your puffy eyes. Don't throw away the green tea bags, but use them to cool and soothe the eyes for relief. Most of the people sit overnight working at laptop or overload their schedule, which leads to tired and puffy eyes. 3. Use it as scrub. As we said before, you should never throw away the green tea bags but make scrub out of it. Once you have brewed the tea, save the tea bags and empty them in a bowl. Now mix tea with sugar and some honey. Mix the ingredients well and massage for 15 minutes. Now wash your face with lukewarm water. This will help to give you flawless skin. 4. Rashes and insect bites. Using green tea bags over skin can help to treat rashes and insect bites. If not green tea bags, you should empty the bags and bring it to boil for 2 minutes. Now allow the water to cool down and apply this on your skin with the use of cotton ball. Due to large amount of antioxidants present in green tea, it helps to prevent the bites and further rashes on skin. 5. Face mask. Empty some tea bags and mix with some honey and sea salt, as it helps to remove the dead cells and tan skin from face. Mix all the ingredients together and apply on the face. Allow the mask to be there on face for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. If needed, add some drops of lemon for natural whitening effect. 6. Bleeding gums. Placing a cool tea bags over your swollen or bleeding gums can help you to solve the problem. If you have any gum infection and still your gums bleed, take some tea bags and remove the tea in a bowl. Mix with some water and place it in refrigerator. Use this water every morning before brushing your teeth. Gargle using this water twice a day to see results. 7. Heal a bruise. Tea bags help to heal the bruise as soon as possible. Ruptured capillaries, the smallest blood vessels in the body, create bruises. Tea bags help to calm down the capillaries and help to increase the supply of blood over body. With increased blood supply in the body, tea bags help to heal the bruise easily. 8. Helps to shrink the warts. Generally, tea bags contain antibacterial properties which help to shrink the size of warts in the body. To shrink the size of warts or get rid of it completely, place warm tea bags over the warts. Continue doing this twice or thrice a day to get rid of warts completely. Clear the nearby area using cotton balls dipped in green tea brewed water. 9. Fades away the dark circles. Tea bags help to fade away the dark circles from the body and also help to soothe your skin. Place a few tea bags over your eye and rest for 20 minutes. Continuously doing this can help you to reduce the puffiness around your eye and also helps to fade away the dark circles around your eyes.